Hello and welcome back everyone. Today we're going to read for main ideas and details, annotate text, and explore ways to contribute to the circular economy.
Unit 2, The Circular Economy. Audio Track 2.1. Closing the Circle on Waste. Each year, we take more than 100 billion tons of raw material from the Earth to make many of the products we buy. About 2/3 of this material becomes waste. Much of that comes from products that we throw away, including almost 3 billion plastic bottles that end up in the ocean, and 1.5 billion tires that end up in landfills every year. This waste is an economic design flaw. For centuries, we have followed a model called the linear economy. Industries take raw materials, they make things, we use them, and then we throw them away. Environmentalists and economists warn that this model is not sustainable. They have proposed an alternative, a circular economy. A circular economy is based on the idea of eliminating waste by keeping raw materials and products in use for much longer. It works in a circle, very much the way nature does. The circular economy uses a range of strategies. It brings us back into harmony with nature. In a circular economy, products are designed to be long-lasting and easy to repair. This means that products are made from higher quality materials. It also means that devices, such as phones and computers, are designed so that their parts are easy to access. These steps reduce the need for new raw materials. One example of this is a famous American shoe company. They wanted to produce shoes that use less raw material. So they collaborated with a tire manufacturer in Singapore. The company agreed to make tires with the high-quality rubber that the company needs for their shoes. When the tires wear out, their rubber is recycled as shoe soles, reducing the need for new rubber. Of course, nothing lasts forever, so it's also important to consider what happens when a product can no longer be used, repaired, or refurbished. This is part of another important strategy in a circular economy: recycling. Valuable components are extracted from products for reuse in a new or different product. For example, electronic products contain a range of components, many of which are valuable and can be recycled. Apple, for example, encourages customers to trade in old iPhones. Robots then take them apart and extract materials for new devices. A basic principle of the circular economy is that any waste should be used to make another product. For the food industry, dealing with waste is an important concern. But a company in the UK, Enticycle, is using some of it in an unusual way: to grow black flies. They eat the waste, then lay eggs, and the eggs hatch into larvae. Enticycle sells the larvae to fish farms. There, it is fed to the salmon that will end up on our dining tables. This is a good example of a perfect economic circle. Some critics of the circular economy claim it will hurt businesses, but supporters argue the opposite. They believe that it will create opportunities for new types of businesses. One recent study suggests that moving to a circular economy could add $2 trillion to the global economy by 2050.